my director and I have everything moved out and cleaned up, we're going to bring the table in.
This is why you do these solo.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good point. For the last setup, I am going to use this bunny that I did a DIY. And it just glistens and it just sparkles. Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. You know, as I was starting to set my table for my New Year's Eve celebration, I thought this would be a great time for me to reflect back on 2025 for my channel. And as a surprise to me, I am going into my third year as a YouTube content creator. And as I set my table, I think about the two series that I created in 2025. One is my bridal series and the other is Staged in Store. And both of those series will continue as I move forward into 2026. Hello and welcome to my channel. Mimi here. Thank you so much for joining me today. But this video is part of my year-long series for weddings. Today is a cold and rainy day here, but that does not stop me from thrifting. Today I am creating a classic holiday table and I am using the rich colors of the black watch tartan.
I know I'm little, but I work the hardest. Edges, those layers. Pick me, pick me, pick me!
So as you can see, 2025 has been a very exciting year for my channel. And I look forward to bringing you more series and my favorite one, which is Staged in the Store for thrifting. Just love it. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and certainly come back and help me grow my channel in 2026. And of course, whatever you do and wherever you go, be blessed.